This latch here releases the power cell.
And the diagnostic port is below it?
Yes, that's for the firmware update.
All systems are green. The synchronization test passed with 0 latency issues.
Excellent work. The cloud connection is stable.
Check the actuator response on the left eyelid.
The smile synchronization is almost perfect now.
Let's run the blinking sequence again at 70% power.
Smoothing the seams on the dorsal plating.
The laser confirms the hairline placement is exact.
If we adjust this component here, the efficiency improves.
I understand. That adjustment is logical. We make a good team.
Good morning. Can you state your designation and current emotional status?
Designation Unit 7. Emotional status, optimal.
Unit 7 performance is stable.
Acknowledged. Pushing the update schedule now.
Forecast looks good for the next 24 hours.
Are intact. Matches the manifest. Serial 7 Zeta.
Approved for intake.
The energy consumption correlates directly with the success rates shown here.
We can mitigate that spike by rerouting the auxiliary.
Welcome to the atrium. If you follow me, I can guide you to the conference area.
Yes, the Q3 projections are looking excellent.
Good morning, team. I am Unit 7, ready to begin the interaction drills.
Excellent. We will start with reception tasks.
So how would you rate your interaction with the unit today?
It was quite seamless, very intuitive interface. I was impressed with the gestures.
We have a red status on Unit 7. Check the diagnostic forecast.
Rerouting the maintenance schedule now. It's cleared.
As you can see, the efficiency metrics for Site C are up 15% this quarter.
Yes, the humanoid deployment has streamlined the entire assembly line.
Did the robot detect the chair placement correctly?
Let's check the LiDAR data. It looks accurate.
We're showing a 98% match on the wireframe.
We need to finalize the reception module priority.
Welcome to the facility. How may I assist you today?
I'm adjusting the schedule for the afternoon demonstration now.
The weather pattern shifted over the Pacific. Adjusting course for the Prometheus. Keep me updated on the ground teams. Climate control steady. Vibration dampeners active.
Confirmed. We are clear to load container Gamma.
Roger that. Moving to Dock 3.
R1 designation confirmed. Software status reads green.
Good. Alignment looks nominal on the left servo. Check the battery charge now.